Hi everybody, it's 9:49 and 17 seconds on June 7th. This is mini number 1 for the Amazing Spider-Man 299 raw copy and the 309.2. Over here on the left hand side are the 10 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place is going to get to pick 3 spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place gets to pick 1 spot after the winner has picked their 3 spots. So let's get this show on the road. Number is 12, and away we go. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is the final one. 12. Jesse Sipler comes in first. Kyle Abram comes in second. Jesse, you get to pick 3 spots first. Kyle, you get to pick yours after Jesse has picked. Time is 9:50 and 20 seconds.